Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to change name online. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change name online Messenger. Maybe because when you created your account on it, you accidentally did a spelling mistake while writing your name and now you want to fix it. Or maybe you just want to change your name, like you want to remove your surname, or maybe you want to add your surname, or it could be any other reason for you to change your name online. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Line Messenger app. And if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all that, just simply tap on the icon of the Line Messenger to open the app. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all of the screen from top to bottom and even in the middle of the screen. So from all these options, what we have to do here is that we have to go to this settings icon. But before, I'll show you how our name looks. For that, you have to get to your profile. So you have to click on your profile icon, and once you get there, you will see your name. Right now the name is TA, which is below the profile icon, and if you want to change it, we will see how we can do it. So first, what we have to do here is that we just have to simply get back to the home page, which is through this cross icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. Once you tap onto this cross icon, you will get back to your home page, and once you get back here, you have to click on settings icon, which is this one. Once you just tap on it, you will land into the settings page. At the top, you will also read the title of settings, and from there you have to select this first option which says profile, this one. After that, you will land into my profile page, and there you will see multiple options. So here we have this first option, which is name, and we will see how we can change it. So for that, tap on it. Once you get to this page, first thing you have to do here is that first you have to remove your existing name, and once you remove your existing name, now you can add your new name. You can add your own name, you can add any kind of fake name. Obviously this app is not used for professional means, so you can any kind of name, there is no limitation to it. You can also add your surname, or maybe if you want to remove it, you can remove that. Once you're done typing your name, you just have to simply click on save option, which is in below the page. Right now you just have to tap on it and your profile will be saved. Now we are on back on the home page, and there you can see our name has been updated. So now we will go to the profile, and there we will also see the name will be updated to what we have just entered, like that. And if you again want to change it, you can again go to the settings and to profile, and there you can easily change your name whenever you want. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change your name online Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.